Welcome students. After completing curves and fractals, let's see the last point of Unit 6, that is interactive graphics. The question may be asked on this, like what is interactive graphics system? Computer graphics includes the process and outcomes associated with using computer technology to convert created or collected data into visual representations. The computer graphics field is motivated by the general need for interactive graphical user interfaces, that is GUI, which supports mouse, windows, and widget functions. Other sources of inspiration include digital media technologies, scientific visualization, virtual reality, arts, and entertainment. Computer graphics encompasses scientific, art, and engineering functions. Mathematical relationships or geometry define many of the components in a particular computer graphics scenes for composition. Physics fundamentals are the basis for lighting a scene. The layout, color, texture, and harmony of a particular composition are established with art and perception of principles. Computer graphics hardware and software are rooted in the engineering fields. The successful integration of these concepts allows for the effective implementation of interactive and three-dimensional computer graphics. Interactive 3D graphics provides the capability to produce moving pictures or animation. This is especially helpful when exploring time-varying phenomena such as weather changes in the atmosphere, the deflection of an airplane wing in flight, or telecommunication usage patterns. Interaction provides individual users the ability to control parameters like the speed of animations and the geometric relationships between the objects in a scene to one another. Usage of the tools, that is computer graphics tools. What is use of computer graphics tools? Computer graphics are graphics created using computers and more generally the representation and manipulation of pictorial representation of data by computer. Developments in computer graphics had a profound impact on many types of media and have revolutionized the animation and video game industry. The term computer graphics includes almost everything on computers that is not text or sound. Today, nearly all computers use some graphics, and users expect to control their computer through icons and pictures rather than just by typing. The term computer graphics has several meanings. The representation and manipulation of pictorial data by a computer. The various technology used to create and manipulate such pictorial data. The images so produced and the subfield of computer science which studies methods for digitally synthesizing and manipulating visual content. That are all studying computer graphics. Today, computers and computer-generated images touch many aspects of our daily life. Computer imagery is found on television, in newspapers, in weather reports, and during surgical procedures. A well-constructed graph can present complex statistics in a form that is easier to understand and interpret. Such graphs are used to illustrate papers, reports, thesis, and other presentation material. A range of tools and facilities are available to enable users to visualize their data, and computer graphics are used in many disciplines. 2D computer graphics. 2D computer graphics are the computer-based generation of digital images, mostly from two-dimensional models such as 2D geometric models, text, and digital images, and by techniques specific to them. The word may stand for the branch of computer science that comprises such techniques or for the models themselves. 2D computer graphics are mainly used in applications that were originally developed upon traditional printing and drawing technologies, such as typography, cartography, technical drawing, advertising, etc. In those applications, the two-dimensional image is not just a representation of a real-world object, but an independent artifact that added semantic value. Two-dimensional models are therefore preferred because they give more direct control of the image than 3D computer graphics, whose approach is more akin to photography than to typography. 3D computer graphics. 3D computer graphics, in contrast, a 2D computer graphics that use a three-dimensional representation of geometric data that is stored in the computer for the purpose of performing calculations and rendering 2D images. Such images may be for lateral display or for real-time viewing. Despite these differences, 3D computer graphics rely on many of the same algorithms as 2D computer vector graphics in the wireframe model and 2D computer raster graphics in the final rendered display. In computer graphics software, the distinction between 2D and 3D is occasionally blurred. 2D applications may use 3D techniques to achieve effects such as lighting, and primarily 3D may use 2D rendering techniques. 3D computer graphics are often referred to as 3D models. Apart from the rendering graphic, the model is contained within the graphical data file. However, there are differences. A 3D model is the mathematical representation of any three-dimensional object. A model is not technically a graphic until it is visually displayed. Due to 3D printing, 3D models are not confined to virtual space. A model can be displayed visually as a two-dimensional image through a process called 3D rendering or used in non-graphical computer simulations and calculations. 3D computer graphics tools. The question can be asked like explain features of any graphics tool you have studied. Explain feature of 3D Studio or Maya graphics tools. 3D computer graphics software refers to program used to create 3D computer generated imagery. 3D modelers are used in a wide variety of industries. The medical industry uses them to create detailed model of organs. The movie industry uses them to create and manipulate characters and objects for animated and real-life motion pictures. The video game industry uses them to create assets for video games. The science sector uses them to create highly detailed models of chemical compounds. The architecture industry uses them to create models of proposed buildings and landscapes. The engineering community uses them to design new devices, vehicles, and structures, as well as a host of other uses. There are typically many stages in the pipeline that studios and manufacturers use to create 3D objects for film, games, and production of hard goods and structures. Features of 3D modelers. Many 3D modelers are general purpose and can be used to produce models of various real-world entities, from plants to automobiles to people. Some are specially designed to model certain objects such as chemical compounds or internal organs. 3D modelers allow users to create and alter models via 3D mesh. Users can add, subtract, stretch, and otherwise change the mesh to their desire. Models can be viewed from a variety of angles, usually simultaneously. Models can be rotated and the view can be zoomed in and out. 3D modelers can export their models to files, which can then be imported into other applications as long as the metadata is compatible. Many modelers allow importers and exporters to be plugged in so they can read and write data in the native formats of other applications. Most 3D modelers contain a number of related features such as ray tracers and other rendering alternatives and texture mapping facilities. Some also contain features that support or allow animation of models. Some may be able to generate full motion video of a series of rendered scenes, that is animation. Major packages. What are the different major packages of 3D modelers? Major packages of 3D modelers are: first, 3ds Max; second, AC3D; third, Aladdin 4D; fourth, Carrara; fifth, Cinema 4D; sixth, Inventor; seventh, Massive; and eighth, Maya. Let's see one by one. 3ds Max, originally called 3D Studio Max. 3ds Max is used in many industries that utilize 3D graphics. It is used in the video game industry for developing models and creating cinema cutscenes. It is used in architecture visualizations because it is highly compatible with AutoCAD. Also developed by Autodesk, 3ds Max is available for Windows. AC3D. It is another 3D modeling application while it is used in a number of industries. MathWorks actively recommends it in many of their aerospace related articles due to price and compatibility. It is the first commercial 3D modeler to integrate full support for exporting models to the Metaverse platform, Second Life. AC3D is available for Mac OS X, Windows, and Linux. Aladdin 4D. It is first developed for the Amiga and originally developed by AdSpec Programming in Ohio. It is available for Windows, Linux, Morph OS, Amiga OS 4, and Eros. Carrara. It is a mature, fully featured 3D tool set package for modeling, texturing, scene rendering, and animation. Cinema 4D. It is highly lighter package than the others in its basic configuration. The software is claimed to be artist-friendly and is designed with the less technical user in mind. Inventor. The Autodesk Inventor product line provides a comprehensive and flexible set of software for 3D mechanical design, product simulation, tooling creation, and design communication that help you cost effectively take advantage of a digital prototyping workflow to design and build better products in less time. Massive. It is a 3D animation system for generating crowd-related visual effects, targeted for use in film and television. Originally developed for controlling the large-scale CGI battles in The Lord of the Rings, Massive Software has become an industry standard for digital crowd control in high-end animation. It is available for Linux platform as well as Windows. Maya. Autodesk is currently used in the film and television industry. Maya has a high learning curve but has developed over the years into an application platform in and of itself through extendability via its MEL programming language. Maya comes in two versions, Maya Complete and Maya Unlimited. 3D Studio Max. Three D Studio Max. 3D Studio Max is a modeling, animation, and rendering package developed for Autodesk Media and Entertainment. 3ds Max is the third most widely used off-the-shelf 3D animation program by content creation professionals. It has strong modeling capabilities, a flexible plug-in architecture, and a long heritage on the Microsoft Windows platform. It is mostly used by video game developers, TV commercial studios, and architectural visualization studios. It is also used for movie effects and movie pre-visualization. In addition to its modeling and simulation tools, the latest version of 3ds Max also features advanced shaders, dynamic simulation, particle systems, radiosity, normal map creation, and rendering, global illumination, and intuitive and fully customizable user interface, and its own scripting language. Polygon modeling. Polygon modeling is more common with game design than any other modeling technique as the very specific control over individual polygons. It allows for extreme optimization. Versions 4 and up feature the editable polygon object, which simplifies most mesh editing operations and provides subdivision smoothing at customizable levels. NURBS, or non-uniform rational B-spline, a more advanced alternative to polygons. It gives a smooth out surface that eliminates the straight edges of a polygon model. NURBS is a mathematically exact representation of freeform surfaces like those used for car bodies and ship hulls, which can be exactly reproduced at any resolution whenever needed. With NURBS, a smooth sphere can be created with only one face. NURBS, curves, and surfaces have the important properties of not changing under the standard geometric transformations. Surface tool. The surface tool is for creating common 3ds max splines and then applying a modifier called surface. This modifier makes a surface from every 3 or 4 vertices in a grid. This is often seen as an alternative to mesh or NURBS modeling, as it enables a user to interpolate curved sections with straight geometry. Predefined primitives. This is This is a basic method in which one models something using only boxes, spheres, cones, cylinders, and other predefined objects from the list of predefined standard primitives. One may also apply Boolean operations including subtract, cut, and connect. For example, one can make two spheres which will work as blobs that will connect with each other. These are called metaballs. Predefined standard primitive list. Predefined standard primitive list of 3D Studio Max. First one is box, second cylinder, third teapot, fourth cone, fifth sphere, sixth tube, seventh pyramid, and eighth plane. Box. Box produces a rectangular prism. An alternative variation of box is available entitled cube, which proportionally constrains the length, width, and height of the box. Second, cylinder. Cylinder produces a cylindrical shape. Third, teapot. It produces a teapot. Since the teapot is a parametric object, the user can choose which parts of the teapot to display after creation. These parts include the body, handle, spout, and lid. Cone. Cone produces round cones, either upright or inverted. Sphere. Sphere produces a full sphere, hemisphere, or other portion of a sphere. Tube. Tube can produce both round and prismatic tubes. The tube is similar to the cylindrical with hole in it. Pyramid. The pyramid primitive has a square or rectangular base with triangular sides. Plane. The plane object is a special type of flat polygon mesh that can be enlarged by any amount at rendered time. The user can specify factors to magnify the size or number of segments or both. Modifiers such as displace can be added to a plane to simulate a hill terrain. Feature of 3D Max, which can be enlisted as first, Max Script, second, Character Studio, third, Scene Explorer, fourth, DWG Import, fifth, Texture Assignment or Editing, sixth, General Keyframing, seventh, Constraint Animation, 8, Skinning, 9, Skeletons and Inverse Kinematics, 10, Integrated Cloth Solver. MaxScript. It is a built-in scripting language and can be used to automate repetitive tasks, combine existing functionality in new ways, develop new tools and user interfaces, and much more. Character Studio was a plugin which since version 4 of Max is now integrated in 3D Studio Max, helping user to animate virtual characters. Dedicated curve editors and motion capture data import tools make Character Studio ideal for character animation. Scene Explorer, a tool that provides a hierarchical view of scene data and analysis facilities working with more complex scenes. Scene Explorer has the ability to sort, filter, and search a scene by any object type or property. DWG, that is drawing. It is a binary file format used for storing 2D and 3D design data and metadata. 3ds Max support both import and linking of such DWG files. Texture assignment or editing. 3ds Max offers operations for creative texture and planar mapping. including tiling, mirroring, decals, angle, rotate blur, UV stretching, and relaxation. Remove distortion, preserve UV, and UV template image export. The texture workflow includes the ability to combine an unlimited number of textures. A material or map browser with support for drag and drop assignment and hierarchies with thumbnails. General keyframing. Two keying modes, set key and auto key, which offer support for different keyframing workflows. Fast and intuitive controls for keyframing, including cut, copy, and paste, which let the user to create animations with ease. Constraint animation. Objects can be animated along curves with controls for alignment, banking, velocity, smoothness, and looping, and along surfaces with controls for alignment. All resulting constraint animation can be collapsed into standard keyframes for further editing. Skinning. Either the skin or Fiziki modifier may be used to achieve precise control of skeletal deformation. So the character deforms smoothly as the joints are moved, even in the most challenging areas such as shoulders. Capabilities such as weight tables, pintable weights, and saving and loading of weights offer easy editing and proximity-based transfer between models, providing the accuracy and flexibility needed for complicated characters. Skeletons and inverse kinematics. Characters can be rigged with custom skeletons using 3ds Max bones, IK solvers, and rigging tools. All animation tools can be used along with a set of utilities specific to bones to build rigs of any structure and with custom controls so animators see only the user interface necessary to get their character animated. Integrated Cloth Solver. 3ds Max software has an integrated cloth simulation engine that enables the user to turn almost any 3D object into clothing or build garments from scratch. Cloth simulations can be used in conjunction with other 3ds Max dynamic forces such as space warps. Uses of 3D Max. Films, video games, or licensing. Films. Many films have made use of 3ds Max. Just two examples are 20th Century Fox, I, Robot, and X-Men, which contain computer-generated graphics from 3ds Max alongside live-action acting. Video games. Game developers have also used 3ds Max extensively in their area of entertainment. 3ds Max even exports directly into the modeling file type for the video game Quake. Licensing. Earlier versions until 3ds Studio Max R3 required a special copy protection device dongle to be plugged into the parallel port while the program was run, but later a software copy prevention method was implemented instead. Registration involving personal information such as name, address, and email address is now required. That is all for 3D Studio Max.